How to fix a Nespresso machine. I had a situation where I would press it and it would blink and it would not brew the coffee. So if you have this issue, look at your owner's manual. Descale the machine first, which will be on another video. The Nespresso company recommends descaling the machine every 3 months or every 300 capsules, whatever comes first. So first, a troubleshooting technique is to unplug the machine. Then open it and take out the used Nespresso pod and put in a fresh new Nespresso pod. Plug the machine back in. Try running the coffee machine to see if it works. If that did not fix it, then remove the water tank, empty and wash the water tank. Now wipe the bottom part of the water tank on the machine like this with a paper towel or a clean rag. Wipe the bottom of the water tank as well. Attach the water tank to the machine and fill it up with clean drinking water. Run the machine again to see if this troubleshoot technique fixed the issue. That did not work, then open the machine and carefully twist this piece around. Please be careful that you don't cut yourself. Insert a new pod and try to brew the coffee again. One of these troubleshooting techniques fix the issue. Call Nespresso. They will walk you through all their troubleshooting techniques. If that does not fix it and it's covered under warranty, they may send you a new machine.